Draw with me. This is the first time I'm drawing Forky. Let's go through the process together. Let's begin drawing Forky. I'm going to go up a little bit, and I would like to draw the glob at the bottom. Globs are fun because, after all, they're just globs. So I'm not really worried about getting it exactly the right shape on that one. As I said earlier, it's a glob. From here, we're going to draw 2 parallel lines. Again, those are lines that are equally spaced apart. So I'm going to draw my first line, and I'm going to kind of connect it from here and go all the way up. I personally like drawing down, but you draw whatever way you're comfortable with. So now parallel means that, again, they're going to be equally spaced. There we go. I'm going to begin drawing the neck. Just little parts like that. This next part will be pretty fun. I'm going to make a little fatter. Again, I'm doing those small lines to start. And again, same thing over here. Whoops. Sometimes getting it the exact shape is a little challenging. I'm also noticing as I look, I'm glad I drew it lighter because I do want to make it a little bit wider. So from this part, I'm just going to continue on. And this is how we learn our proportions. Just trying and seeing what comes out and fixing it. Okay, this next part is pretty fun. I'm noticing that he's got these little spikes at the top, like the ends of a fork. Maybe that's why they call him Forky. What? Okay, so I'm going to make my first line down. And then I'm going to draw the letter M. Ready? Up, down, up, down. Now I'm noticing here there's not a lot of space, but I'm going to draw one more up and then slowly just even this out so it works and fits. Again, lightly using the eraser. Okay, I'm pretty happy with it. I could have made them a little bit longer, but it's okay. So now the next thing, when I'm looking at this face, there's one big giant eyeball. So I know there's going to be something on top up here, but I want to draw that giant eyeball. Why? Because it's sticking out. Looks like something to do. And now I'm going to draw the pupil right in the middle. And I'm going to color that in later. The other eyeball is totally a different size. Looks like it's kind of close. And then the pupil is somewhere totally different as well. Now, again, I've been noticing that it seems like it'll help if I actually do darken those in with a black marker. So I'm going to go ahead and draw those in for you right now. This is usually the last step that I do. Oh, you can definitely see it. Now, the smile. It's a fun smile. Totally crooked. So if yours isn't straight, then it's perfect. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that kind of goes up like that. But I'm going to curve it a little bit because this is kind of like a string of Play-Doh here. And then I want to draw this part right here too. Again, curve it a little bit and then eventually bring it down. Cool. Now we're going to draw another parallel line inside. Finally, we're going to draw a little bit of that headband. Parallel line, curve it off a little bit, curve it off a little bit, and draw another parallel line. Make that red. Totally cool. Now the hands. In this particular picture, the hands kind of go up and do this little curvy thing. So I'm going to start off by just simply drawing a little bit of that pipe cleaner. I was trying to figure out the name. I'm not going to make it fuzzy right now, but instead I'm going to draw, and it's going to be a little squiggly, and again, lines that are equally apart, parallel. Going to go all the way up. And now this next part is going to be kind of weird, but just follow me. It's going to go up and around, up and around, up and around, and stop. Now we're going to have to make it again parallel. We're going to follow it. And if you even want to make like a true little pipe cleaner, just a little bit of that metal part right there, you can make it all fuzzy if you'd like. Add lots of extra little fuzz. Okay, let's do the second line. The second part of the hand. It looks like he's kind of holding his hand off to the side. So let's go ahead and I'm going to draw this curved part to start. Another parallel line. And then it kind of comes in. So I'm going to do this one. And then it's going to curve in. I'm going to do it just like that. So the feet, I'm just going to draw some lines to kind of go off a little bit, and there we go. And then this other one over here, same thing. Just draw that little popsicle stick, a little bit coming out, curve it, and you got those feet. Again, I don't know if you can see them all the way there. We have our feet. Then just finish it off with a little extra color. I am so excited and I cannot wait to see yours. Be sure to share them. Bye-bye.